Welcome to Cardano Sense DC Fund Daily Show. How is everybody doing today? This is going to be a really quick episode. I'm really only doing this episode because I promised myself I'd do one show every day and I don't want to miss a day. So anyway, I've been working yesterday and today on a guide for proposers who want to apply to the Cardano Fund. So this is what I've been working on. This is a book, magazine sort of thing here. So we're going to run through it really quick. And I put the link, I'll have the link in the description. And I also put the link on the chat boards, Telegram chat board. So let's go through this real quick. So basic cover page. And let's see here. Okay, so we got just an introduction, just a content page, whatever. Okay, so this is kind of an introduction. I have a video here. The video is pretty short except for the last one, but it's a pretty short video. The video pretty much says what I have here, but it does give a nice example of how funds are given out on Cardano. So take a look at that video if you would like. Next page here, great idea. So I said there's three things you need: a great idea, great people, and a great proposal. So this is kind of the great idea. And here I explain kind of how things work, how each fund has, separate campaigns, now campaigns work. I answer a couple questions. Again, this video is pretty quick if you want to watch the video. Next page is about great people. We need great people to propose things. So this is kind of about what you need to do as proposers, the fact that individual proposers are more than welcome, but it's hard for an individual to be a proposer. It's better to have a team and kind of some of the things you may need. Again, there's another quick video there. Great proposal. So this video is a lot longer. It's about 15, 16 minutes, but I really dig into the 6 weeks that that a kind of a proposal goes to before we go to voting, what happens every week. I also so I kind of dig into there. I also do a complete run through of the IdeaScale app, so you know exactly how to get onto IdeaScale and get to where you need to go and where you need to actually submit the proposal. Next page here is just another page about having a great proposal. I as community advisors, there are basically three things we look at. Impact, basically that's saying, look, is your proposal, is it answering the question of the goal, right? The campaign goal. Feasibility, that means can you do it, right? Or do you have the skills to do it? Do your teams have the skills to make this proposal come to life? And auditability, if you get money, how are we going to know that that's working out? How are we going to know that your proposal is getting done? In other words, so are there milestones? Is there a definition of success? So that's essentially what this says. And then the last page here, I posted a video by Charles about Voltaire and Basho and kind of beyond. What we're doing now with IdeaScale is great, but there's bigger things ahead. We really want to use the governance arm of Cardano to not just get projects on Cardano, but to actually control Cardano and you decide which way it's going, have the community control the blockchain and decide where we're going. Okay, that's it. I'm signing off. It is 12:03 a.m. Where I live, so I'm going to throw this up real quick and go to bed, satisfied in knowing that I actually did my video today. So we'll get back to normal tomorrow, and I will go over 3 projects tomorrow, like we usually do, and talk about the community and whatnot. So everybody have a great night. I'm going to bed, and I know I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight. Good night.